I'm here with NR92's Brendan Eric. Really quickly, if today was your last day, what would you want for your final meal? Appetizer, main, dessert, and a drink.
Appetizer, this one's a layup. An all-meat buffalo bite. Unbelievable.
It's incredible.
Can't miss.
The GOAT.
Meal, I think a nice steak, some potatoes, a little bit of corn, maybe some Caesar salad mixed in there. You know, hit all the food groups a little bit, but, you know, heavy on the meat potatoes. Yeah. Dessert, maybe like, I'm a big fan of them rocket popsicles.
Okay. Yeah. I did not see that coming. That's a great answer.
Off the board.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I gotta, you know, there's so many good drinks out there, but iced tea. I am an iced tea guy.
Which brand?
I like a Nestea Cool.
That's the correct answer.
Yeah.
No Brisk.
Nah, Brisk is up there, but
Nestea
it's...
Cool, though.
Yes.
Brendan Eric for NR92 with his final meal. Let us know what your final meal would be. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Good interview.